Hi all, I'm going to be showing you all today how to model a shield. So, to begin, I'm going to get a box and I'm going to place the box in my scene like so. Sorry about that. I'm going to make a box. There's the height, left and right click and you exit the selection. Then I'm going to convert it to an editable poly. I'm going to select polygon and I'm going to select this polygon here. I'm going into scale mode with R and I'm going to scale it in on the X. That's a nice triangular looking shield. I'm going to go on top facing and I'm going to go into wireframe. Right, what I'm going to do now is go around to these two edges, press 2 on the keyboard to go into edge mode. I'm going to select this edge and this edge. But first, I'm going to go to chamfer settings. And I'm going to change it to quad. The reason I change it to quad is because it's just easier to work with squares rather than triangles. So now I select the edges and I'm going to chamfer and I'm going to do it a very tiny bit. It's about there. Let's look at that. A bit more angular. It's about that. Oh, I just undid it. Hold on. Right. And now what I want to do is because if I import this into a game, I want to keep my polygon count down. So I'm going to go into polygon mode, delete these 4 polygons, press Alt and left click to deselect that one, delete it. You want to go around here, do the same to these. Delete that. Then you want to press 3 on the keyboard. Select this border and this border and the cap. Now instead of 8 polygons, you've gone down to 2. So Now you press 5 on the keyboard. This will select the whole element or the whole object, and you scale in on the Z. Right. Now you select 4 and you select the front facing polygon and delete. Now press 3. Choose the border. You want to stay on scale. Hold shift and scale out between the X and the Y coordinate. And then you want to move that down a little bit. And now you just want to do that again. No, you don't. You want to go into scale mode and then do it. Then go into your move tool and just move it up. And then you want to cap. Right, and now to solve this out, you want to press, well, you don't have to press 5, you could just go over here and type in Turbo Smooth. And that should make, oh, have I done that? Okay. This should make a nice looking shield. And now you're free to texture it however you want. Oh wait, I almost forgot the handles. Right, to make the handles you're gonna go over to plus, splines, and you're gonna create an arc. You're gonna make a very simple arc, just a straight line, and that'll make an arc like that. Then you right click to exit spline mode, go to modifier and type in sweep. Change it. You can change it to however you want. I'm gonna go for bar. And you want to press Y on your keyboard and just move that to wherever you want. I'm gonna press R on my keyboard and scale that down a bit because it is huge. Okay, I can see there's something wrong with the pivot. So I'm gonna move over here and I'm gonna go to this and affect pivot only. Now I can, in fact I'll do it in this viewport. No, I won't. I'll do it in this viewport. I'm gonna move the pivot more towards this. Go back to perspective. That looks good. So I'm gonna turn effect pivot only off. Now I'm gonna go back to my thing. Press Y. Move onto the shield. Still way too big. So hard to select it. Alright, that doesn't seem to be working for me, so I'm gonna do this manually. I'm gonna press E on the keyboard to go into rotate. And I'm just gonna rotate it like that. And align it so it's straight. Like so. Go with W. And I'm gonna move that a bit to the side. Like so. And it's still not completely aligned, so I'm gonna press E again. Gonna rotate it. And now, yeah, both sides are in. Oh. I'm gonna select this now. Hold. I'm gonna go into directional mode. I'm gonna hold shift. I'm gonna move that to the side here. Copy. Yeah, that works out. And that's the shield. Now I'm gonna select the shield. Should still have the editable polygon. I'm gonna find attach, which is in here. In the editable poly. I'm gonna attach. And I'm going to select the handles. And now when you text it, the handles will be part of the object. Look at that, it's brilliant. Ugh, I've really outdone myself. Look at my sexy model. Ugh. Anyway, thank you all for watching. That's how to model a shield. So yeah, like and subscribe.